Hello and good morning. Today I am back with another chart delineating the Lagna. This chart is a male chart born on 26th August 1987 at 17:45 hours in Bangalore. The Lagna is Makara. Makara is the 10th Bhava from the Kala Purusha, therefore it is a Kendra. The description of Makara is a mountain goat climbing up. This shows that the native will look for success. They have immense organizational capacity, overwhelming desire to attain or achieve success. They are frugal, cautious, and plan their journey in life with great concentration and will put in a lot of effort to achieve the plan. Their plans are not in the air, it is an reality, because Makara is a movable earthy sign. Movable, willing to change according to the circumstances, earthy, grounded. Right now, the Lagna Lord is Saturn. Saturn is placed in the 11th house and is aspected by Mars, who is the 11th and the 4th Lord. Again, Mars will give the results of its natural abilities and the functional abilities of the lordship of the 4th and the 11th house. Mars is a planet of energy. The planet of energy is aspecting the Lagna Lord, therefore infusing the Lagna with lot of energy. Right? Infusing the Lagna with lot of energy. No other planet aspects either the Lagna or the Lagna Lord. Therefore, we can say this native has an ability to achieve his goals and has energy to work towards his goal. Now, let us look at the Navamsha chart. The Navamsha Lagna is in the 8th house from the Rashi Lagna, which means to say the native will have changes, struggles and troubles or problems. When the Lagna Lord shifts to the Navamsha 8th Bhava, it represents the quality of the Lagna. What is a Navamsha? Navamsha is our gains in this life or is our Bhagya in this life. As I explained in the previous charts, Bhagya is not luck. It is a positivity that the native incurs or gets throughout his life. When that Bhagya is posted in the 8th house, it gives us a result or it gives us an answer that the nativity will have to struggle for his gains in life. Now, the Navamsha in the Navamsha, the Lagna Lord is well placed in the own house and in the same Lagna Rashi. Therefore, his struggles will be successful or he will overcome his struggles. This is a way to delineate in a very simple method of the first bhava. In the next class, let us look at another Rashi Lagna. Thank you.